Hey everyone, Warren Buffett is arguably the greatest investor of all time. The Oracle of Omaha likes to invest in reasonably good value stocks, doesn't like to go out on a limb with speculative growth stocks. And so, if you're an investor and you're looking at the group of Warren Buffett stocks to buy, there's one in his list that I think is a no brainer, and that stock is Coca Cola, the beverage company. It's been around for nearly a century and it's trading at $58 per share. If you're looking at putting away an investment for a long time period, buying shares of Coca-Cola stock and just leaving it alone for a couple of decades is likely to increase your wealth. On top of that, Coca-Cola boasts a dividend yield of 3.12%, so you're earning a decent amount every year from dividend payments from Coca-Cola stock. The company over the last 10 years has experienced fluctuating prospects. Don't let this downward trend here fool you. The company has made divestitures, sold off parts of its business that led to this seemingly downward trending revenue. Overall, the company's a small single digit grower organically just from its core business. And in recent years, since the economic reopening, Coca Cola has been thriving from a combination of soaring consumer demand and more than double digit price increases. People are spending more time and money away from home, unleashing pent up demand because remember, we were cooped up inside for like 2, 3 years. And so people want to get out and they're going out and they're spending more money while they're out away from home. And that's great news for Coca Cola because the company has spent decades establishing exclusive relationship with merchants like restaurants. Think of its exclusive relationship with McDonald's, like movie theaters, theme parks, right? If you go to Disneyland, Coca-Cola is the exclusive brand you can buy there. And so when people are going out more often, Coca-Cola benefits because when they buy a beverage to consume away from home, it's more likely to be a Coca-Cola beverage. And then the company's just extremely profitable. It's done an excellent job increasing profit margins over time. 28.18% operating profit margin in the most recent trailing 12-month period. That's up from around 22% in 2014. Coca-Cola just keeps getting better and better at what it does, learning the business better, learning its customers better, getting better at delivering its products where it needs to be, producing them at lower and lower prices, and just keeps better, getting better. And so it just seems like a no-brainer for me right now, especially when you look at cash flow from operations, $11 billion in the trailing 12-month period. If you compare that with its revenue of 44 billion, you could see the company's turning just about 1/4 of its revenue into cash flow from operations. That's a good statistic. That's a good metric as well. And finally, the stock is not expensive, trading at a forward price to earnings of just 20.62. So if you're looking at Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway portfolio and you're trying to figure out which one of his stocks to buy, one of them I think should be a no-brainer, and that's Coca-Cola stock.
I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.